Ka Northeastern Hill University haringkat ka jingat lang ka NSS cell hakakat prabat kat kandai tarik ulber arajar persan kilapan long ya ka Viksit Bharat Youth Parliament arajar persan ne ka rensan ya turko halor ka phang ka wai ka election. Hagari ka rensan ya ter lawan banya shimbanta kumba shispa saupu ngot ki samla puli ka East Khasi Hills but East and West Khasi Hills district hakabala jet tang ngot ki samla puli kum ki nong job na kaniga district level competition ki banya khonpat ya ka state level competition ka ban solongshan. Kisamla puli ki bersya ya kephang one nation one election kila ay ki sembo perkat bagajing penlong election ke bakha kha ke pen smart ya ki nong mikmat ban trai ya ka kam namar lada kim trai ke sarkar kan khalam namar ki paj ba kenom sangap jar kat bagi bekersan pat ki kedo baka one nation one election kan penduna jing lot henry deban kan mau baka sensyar paj ba kam dai ka kam khayi pateng henry ban pen kop bor ya ki paj ba ban jet ya ki nong mikmat
Bharat kam dei ba bhai ka restaurant ba wei chef chupan bang ya ka menu ba ni hab bambe demokrasi ka mot ba wei pa wei brula ban thit ban jet ya ka jong ka plot demokrasi ka matlab one nation one voice nahi one nation many voices hota hai. Let's be real, आजकल के लोग स्पीच सुनने से ज्यादा रील्स देखना पसंद करते हैं. So imagine if your favorite cricket league, IPL, was played only once every 5 years and all teams had to prove their worth in just one season. Imagine if you had just one festival in a year where you had to celebrate Diwali, Eid, Christmas, Holi, everything on the same day. Sounds ridiculous, right? That's exactly what one nation, one election is. Forcing everyone into one single event, ignoring diversity and calling it efficiency. Elections are not an inconvenience, they are the soul of democracy. Holding them only once every 5 years for both the center and the states is not just impractical, but it is dangerous. So why is one nation and one election a bad idea? India is not just a single issue country. A farmer in Punjab, a student in Kerala and an entrepreneur in Gujarat have different priorities. When national and state elections happen together, national issues will dominate and local concerns will be pushed aside. A flood crisis in Assam won't make headlines when the whole country is debating on national security issue. क्या ये सही होगा कि एक राज्य की समस्या सिर्फ इसलिए दब जाए क्योंकि national agenda अलग है? Right now, politicians face elections every few years, which means they stay accountable. If they fail, voters can throw them out soon. But with one nation, one election, politicians will get a free ride for 5 years. No direct accountability in between. मतलब एक बार सीट जीत लो और फिर 5 साल तक आराम. No pressure to perform. क्या ये democracy है या permanent job security? In India, state governments sometimes collapse before completing their full term. Right now, fresh elections are held immediately. But if one nation, one election becomes reality, then what? Will the state suffer under president's rule for years just to maintain the election cycle? Or will we hold a new election which defeats the whole purpose of this idea? BJP के supporters कहते हैं कि ये system पैसा बचाएगा. But democracy is not a business. It's an investment in the people's right to vote. If frequent elections keep leaders in check, then they are worth every rupee. A developed Bharat is not one where elections are controlled, but one where people have the power to vote when needed. We don't need fewer elections, we need better governance. One nation election is not just about progress. It's about power concentration. It makes politics a 5-year game, removes accountability and sidelines regional issues. Bharat kam dei ba bhai ka restaurant, ba wei chef chupan bang ya ka menu ba ni hab bambe. Demokrasi ka mot ba wei pa wei brula ban thit ban jet ya ka jong ka plot. Demokrasi ka matlab one nation one voice nahi, one nation many voices hota hai. Jai Hind, Jai Samvidhan.
In the year 2019, during the general election, the total cost for the election is about 60,000 crore. Think about 60,000 crore for one election, for one particular election. Instead, we can use the same amount of money to invest and to provide fund for healthcare, education, and other infrastructure, which are the key factors for the economic development, economic growth. It also enhances the governance of the government. The frequent election acts as a disrupt to government policy. which include economic policy adopted by the government, especially with the imposition of the Model Code of Conduct. The Model Code of Conduct denies the government ability to continue any of its reform or any of its project which planned for economy of the country, which is the main aim to achieve in the Viksit Bharat. And if you take a look, as you can see during election, what happened? Obviously, all our leaders, they are busy in campaign for a party, for their own benefit, for their own party and all. And all of the economic policy, they were passed and they were stopped for the post-government, and this slow our progress to achieve the Viksit Bharat. So to conclude, Viksit Bharat help us in reducing the electoral cost and then do the proper balance of the country resource and bring unify in the country. With this free word, Mithila, thank you, Kubeshigon.
In a country like Bharat, where autocracy seems to be on the rise, no matter the leader, no matter the party or the government, simultaneous elections are a glimpse of forced singularity. What safeguards citizens is regular feedbacks, which are elections. Governments, because ultimately governments will come and go. Policies like one nation, one election will make and break. But what will remain is democracy and democracy alone. And what is democracy? If not voting and electing the person you deem fit in a frequent electoral cycle. Thank you. Jai Hind. Ha Kare Khasi. Foundation of a free nation. One nation, one election is such a strong vision for India's future. But before we step into this debate, we must ask one question, that we have to assess its complexities and risks also. Also, B.R. Ambedkar once said, the true essence of the democracy is not just in conducting periodic elections, but in making sure the checks and balances on the power. So, are we checking the power of the ruling party? What if the ruling party loses the confidence of people within a year or two? Then the people have to wait for 3 or 4 long years. Also, we have seen that if there are so many elections, the politicians are mostly involved in campaigning rather than solving the real-time issues. We are not leading for a nation that is blindly running with one party. We are the whole nation that has a cumulative different type of parties, different type of regions. Also, the real question is not that, do we need to create one nation, one election? The real question is that, do we need a party, a complex party that is there for everyone? Also, we are not here to make an India that is weak. We are here to make an India that is stable, strong, and deeply democratic. Always remember, the people's power is more than people in power. I repeat, people's power is more than people in power. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata, habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, page ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukam shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.